Hello friends, welcome to eFarm. Many in group and channel have asked the purpose of having this white color PVC pipe in the drum. So this video I am going to explain why I have kept this pipe in the drum and also how we can simply set up this one. I see three benefits of keeping a pipe like this in the drum. So the first one is aerating the root. So this has holes drilled on the sides of the pipe. So this provides some sort of ventilation to roots. So not only that, so the soil has lot of good microorganisms. So that fixes lot of nutrients for plants from the atmospheric air. So this kind of setup aids this process. So the next benefit is the excess water gets drained through the holes in the pipe, and you can put a hole in the drum beneath the pipe to collect the excess water and reuse it. So that way it saves your terrace floor from strains, and also we can reuse the nutritious water. So the last benefit is that this gives an easy access to remove any blockage in the water drainage, since you able to see through the pipe about any blockage. You can easily clean them using your hand. Now let's look at how we can set up the drum and the pipe in it. Using two 220 liters oil barrel, you can make two units like this. So the height of this drum is about 1 feet, and the width is about 2 feet, and the length is about 3 feet. I have cut one drum horizontally and another drum vertically. So in the horizontal one, I have made a U-shaped cut like this to hold the vertically cut drum. I have shown here how we can make a U-cut in the horizontal one easily. So for this you have to take a chart paper or any brown color sheet, then make a marking as shown here. Now using scissor you can cut along the marking and place this sheet on the horizontal drum. Now you make a marking in the horizontal drum along the lines. Afterwards, use any power tool to cut along the markings for better finish. Please exercise caution when using power tools, as the tool runs 2000 plus RPMs and it can cause serious injuries if it is not handled properly. Now let's look at how to fix the PVC pipe in it. For this you can take a 4 or 5 inch PVC pipe and of length 10 to 12 inches. So after that you can take 8 or 9 drill bit, and you can put holes on the bottom portion of the PVC pipe. You can drill roughly 12 to 16 holes in it as shown here. Now we need to place this pipe in the center of the drum. Mark the center point. For water drainage, we need to drill one or 1 by 4 inch hole in the drum before placing the pipe. If you want to collect the water in the bucket and reuse it, you need to fix 1 inch or 1 by 4 inch tank nipple as shown here. So you can get this tank nipple from your nearby hardware shop. After fixing the tank nipple, I have taken a threaded L bend and 1 feet 1 inch pipe to fix like this for collecting excess water. Alternatively, you can also fix the tank nipple and the pipe in the bottom drum also. Once everything is over, place the drum in the designated place in garden before installing the pipe. Place a mosquito net or shade net over the hole, and you can also wrap the mosquito net or shade net on the pipe. This basically prevents the dust to get into the drain pipe. This is the final setup once you are done. This is one of my friend's setup where he has used UPVC pipe for the stand. You can also use ABS coated pipe and clamps to assemble the stand. Once everything is over, you are ready to add pot mix to the drum and install the drip kit. Hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to eFarm channel. Thank you.